guys, good morning. I hope everyone is doing good. I'm also doing good, and I am at Pangong Lake right now. Welcome back to another episode of Ladakh Calling, Devs and the Explorer. Welcome all you back. Today's plan is I'm gonna check out from the hotel. I'll have breakfast and we'll straight head to the 3 dates point. So it's 6:30 right now, so 7:30 the breakfast ni high, but I put chumjan khotpati low re. So it's almost by 7 kumdharaga hekta 3 date points thing hai. Sidagi view lake ko maam. Sini views hai. Aada le 3 dates point. So maam sini maam mamangi episode yang driga gidi ai sida kamai lakhi no khangora sigi playlist yaubuni. It's in the playlist, just watch that so that you know how I came here. So let's begin the vlog. Alright, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video and be the first one to watch it. And because this series is going to be very exciting and many more vlogs gonna come on the way, and you can follow me on Instagram for all the live updates and for my what am I doing on everything, on the reels and story and everything. So si hairga mayam ngashigi vlog se hekta hautarasi. Everything's ready, all set. I slept here last night. This is the room. It was very cozy room, yeah. So I'm feeling great and I'm so motivated. Almost 7:55 tare. Let's keep rolling, let's move guys. Bye bye. Take it. Hey, it's standing here. It's time to ride. So this is my sticker, that's my name, and on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, the Explorer. Right. Yeah. Thank you. What's your name? Ramesh. So, nice meeting you. Yeah. We'll catch you soon. Alright. Have a safe journey. Okay, now doing Tiruvananthapuram, Trivandrum. So I know sticker peak Ramonda, and he want me to come down to Kerala. Definitely, yeah. Again, another itinerary. One. It's supposed to be my bucket list. So without any wait, let's just move down. I'm already late at Pangong Lake. Wow, kya bola. Alright. Bye bye. The start is tough. So your train. How would you get tough way? Your train for the tougher or the toughest. Once it gets easier, it will be very easy for you. So let's keep rolling. So guys, if you haven't liked, one like for the journey. How I think from where I have to go down. I think the road is there, I guess. Something यहाँ तो हम लोग उधर तो ऑलरेडी मिल रहा है इधर तो. चलो यहाँ पे पहले ट्राई करता हूँ, वहाँ अगर नहीं मिलेगा. ड्रोन थोड़ा उड़ाना है. तेरी she's almost like already know Pangong Lake के आखिर नहीं चीज़. सिर्फ फंसे है Pangong Sarai, almost here. If you want to get the best, go through the worst. The division of Pangong Lake is 30 to 35% is in India, which is visible. That side, after that is part of China. So this 35% India, some 65 to 70%. India, I can know the China. The scooter, macha later. Karinan so she scooters. Bajaj. Yeah. Yellow, nice. It's damn good, huh? Again, 3 idiots. Kick another. Thamba mahum. This whole creation and basically 3 idiots. Ki cinema adana si perform famous one maneva. And then I see Manning Mama scooter, everything's all here. And I want people taking pictures right there. Let's go to the other side. Everything. Pangong. Look at her. So serious. Lovely.
Warning less water roy, foaming less foamer roy. Sakam lagi mahak to, check lagi shak lo lokari. Wow, never loy beaching dolda. Le tu na kau java mirai ramla. Chat kare ningai dana nai to. Pam java magi masai gonda. Ada pombi, nai tom vibe. Thamoi aidi nang tabu ning sing jai. Loi bi jing sang, lana paira. Nam jari aidi nang tabu sonli. Pai river check la sing gumaning tamna pai janing lima hakti pamja bamagi like cold duda naning tamlo saklon pubi lai rembi gumning thi ravi pukning huna fajaravi saklon du na ngau halli koi mu kayagi mita pam suoi sereng kayagi hol pam suoi sai ta bagi loi banai roi mapu magi ku sembrane ada pombi nai tom vibe thamoi aidi nang tabu ning sing jai loi bi jing sang lana paira nam jari aidi nang tabu sonli.
So I met few brothers from Faridabad and MP. So इनको I'll just give my sticker to them. ये एक तो आ ही गया आपके पास, ये रहा, ठीक है. It's Instagram और Facebook में पेज है, ठीक है. devson the explorer करके होगा. चलो guys, nice meeting you. चलो bye bye. Thank you so much. ठीक है, चलो ओके. दिखेगा, पहले जाता था ना इधर से.
पहले तो था ना, पहले शॉर्टकट था, नजदीक था ना.
हाँ.
अब यहाँ से घूम के यहाँ से नीचे जगह फिर नीचे से ऊपर जगह वो डाउन.
ओके. अच्छा इधर भी रास्ता है.
हाँ.
आगे इधर करके भी ऊपर है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, वही वाला पकड़ेगा. चलो.
नीचे वाला तो बंद है ना पूरा.
ओके.
यहाँ से ऊपर उधर चलेगा, वो 2 गाड़ी चल रहे ना उधर.
हाँ ठीक है. चलो, थैंक यू. Thank you, same to you. Mungkin tara minit tara. Hekte ya deh. Karena kita tahu. And let's follow this vehicle in the front. I'm at the sellers. Start here. Come on, Kita akan suara. Sila meni kar pera de kadu hi. Hai. Right to Pangong. Ada amat satu sekali. Semua saling tu sila meni check tu kita ni. So let's see. I'll just keep rolling and side lambi nam tu kakak keluar si gai mamang se. I'm at the take inners. But road is really bad. Nung jauh mata. Amma tak kisah tu ada makan lambi am lagi. There's one more road out the down hat pit thor ga si truck sem nga re maning sai no de hengal le devson the explorer phajana explore to re मैं am phajana support to ko sumle lipi ko support to ba hin support to se and मैं am ma no wo ne sangai ba मैं se those people who are new to this channel who just subscribe or who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and welcome to the family, welcome to bro fam. Apa re ka khale mathak ta si sine road si mathak ki main road na ba adu te yaura, so this will straight hit the leh road yang asi se tam thok se section na ai se magi video khara do mic se kitang ngai lam dre pa sorry for that ma'am da ai mic han ma hap se le khang de si su kam ngai lam do no and is it the problem with the helmet or mic khang de ba ada yeah mic no ma hap I hope the mic is I hope my vocal is much clearer now. Thank you Pangong man for hosting me. I will definitely come back once I reach. Definitely what's coming man, what's coming. What a view from here, what's coming. Let's go, let's keep rolling. I'm moving view ko phajana khang na ba. And if you haven't watched the earlier episodes, it's in the playlist of Ladakh Calling 2021, so do check out the earlier episodes so that you will know how I land up here. Adu ma'am biro ko. Let's not stop until unless we find a very beautiful place. So let's go. Sky ki blue dune ba aduga saidana chingi amuva ba brown machu urise shiki ke no se reflection of the sky and the hill mountains hai tare ko adune adu ngasi boy leichin am thai mathak se clear bungra nung dang di phajana clear ho jan singra nung dang ngai kre koi phajana ni myam nong no na re mai Delhi ka Faridabad ta ki ka Gurgaon so ngai ra dum shai this camp yam le camp se home yam le ain le du khat ta nge because resort ni no ko shai ra homestay gumba ka no gumba le tent manung da ai di pura ka no ni manung da le ni ado moi gi asida homestay ka le hori do guest house ge da lising ama sema makai gum ne ba ko I would recommend if you are traveling and your budget is little low, but again I khakuin lai do ga but yeah paisa tha just for the luxury one day gumba lai wi lawan night ki ti dum ya hujiki hotel da in le ma da eco resort have never sir photo ka bhi mate mana no sidra mate mana almost 10:30 क्या कर सकता है यार फोटोज I took some pictures, he took so many pictures. बहुत अच्छा पिक्चर लिया देख एक हफ्ते बाद आ जाएगा devson the explorer. ठीक है थैंक यू मिलते ले में ओके बाय बाय. Such a nice guy. I told him to click some pictures. Do you know how many pictures he clicked? 15. That is called what? Brotherhood. Let's keep rolling man. The road is good. After some time it was going to be bad, so jahan acha road hai wahan tabao. Let's go. The altitude height levels hai, it's 13,000 plus altitude never above sea level. 13,000 feet higher, 13,000 more than 13,000. Although because of the mountains, snow cap, the water coming from everywhere and it stores at the Pangong lake. So this is one, I think, biggest lake in Ladakh, maybe one of the biggest in North India. So off-road ho raha hai, the real test again starting. Ho raha nungjao mein andar climbing. This was the hard one, man. Brother, let's skip this one and directly. This is the last one. 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 This is the l Let's go to the toughest one. Ash, Pirani, Shima Pamjo, Lepa, Raptoni. This boy is on cycle. Hey, I know him. I know him from. Okay, the over smart guy from Turtuk. Yakshida thing now. I know. Videography या फोटो या है आर्मी एरिया ले है बा टाइम का देता है रुका नका न थिला में तो ने बा अरे माने आइने नंग लारी है रे पाओ है बा तो मिल लाइक रे बुखल लाई बने बको संगोल हॉर्स वाल हॉर्स हता येंसी अदुगु मफम दो लापदि ले होबने अदो आइना लापदना थुना यौनबो होनबदा बट येंसे साइड लाइट ले ngani याम थिंग बने ट्रिंगल ले दो sheep में हमसे ने फजल वाल झूले आपका है घोड़ा भी होता है ना इधर घोड़ा घोड़ा उधर है अच्छा 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 हम थोड़ा कैमरा उड़ाएगा इधर So I just met motovlogger from Kolkata. अपना ईस्ट का है ना थोड़ा कनेक्शन बन रहा है